Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. What a sight for sore eyes. We've got inventory. I haven't seen that in a few months. So right now we're going to go through a few walkthrough videos. We're going to start out by one really particular model that was at one point and still is the hottest model on the market, and that's a Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Follow me over here. We had this boat arrive off the truck the other day. This is what it's all about right here. Sea Ray blue hull side, white hull bottom, white V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verado with the stone interior. So let's hop on board, show you what this boat's all about, and don't miss out to take advantage of this chance for immediate inventory. Let's go. I'm gonna point out, I just had a birthday last week, so of course I got some new socks. Right now we're working with some Gatorade Snail and some Krabby Patty socks, so that's what that is, and I'm very happy to be wearing these socks. And up here we're gonna get back to the boat, obviously, while we're watching the video. Got the naturally aspirated engine. We ordered just about all these boats with the 300. Really great hole shot from the get-go, and of course your top end still is there too. Real fuel efficient also. Luxurious sun pad here towards the back of the boat, and this right here is your tow ski pole. Of course you can tow from the sports arch up top, or tow a couple tubes at one time, whatever, that's up to you. Coming up in here to the cockpit, I'm going to point out a couple of differences between the 2021s and the 2020s. The most noticeable difference on the 2021s is going to be the sports tower right here. They switched it up. Real easy handles right there to adjust this tower as needed, whether you've got a bridge that you're working with or your high and dry is going to ding you on price if you go above a certain height. This is real simple to just unlock both of these and put it forward and back, opposed to screwing it like you had to before. Also, moving up here, you see that we have all the stainless fixtures in this boat. Everything's just really nice, because that's what a Sea Ray is all about. It's about being a step above the rest and just leading the way in luxury. Co-captain's chair right here on that bolster that's going to go back and forth. Of course, our head down below, didn't skimp out on that. Actually, something that a grown adult can fit into, so you're not like a sardine in a can. Coming on over here to the helm screen, you notice that we have a 12-inch screen instead of the 9, so we do have an upgrade right there. This is a Simrad multi-function unit. Got the vessel view built in. It's going to tell you everything about your Mercury engine. All your charts are going to be loaded on there. Engine data like we talked about before, and of course your depth finder and fish finder all in one. So really complete package right here. Gas and go is what we're going to call it. You see that I'm about 6 feet tall, and as you make your way up here, you're going to see exactly what we're working with. We have a very, very expansive area up on the bow. We have a whole new social zone up here where you can just kind of enjoy yourself, you know, whether you're cruising on the intercoastal, or it is a very comfortable ride too for when you're rocking and rolling and you're getting underway. You can actually sit up on the bow and have some fun, because this is, after all, a super bow rider. So once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is an all-new, fresh off the truck Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard, available for immediate delivery nonetheless. So come on down, take advantage, and let's get you out on the water. Bye guys.